Use iron phosphate slug bait to control slugs in pet-friendly gardens safely and effectively. Iron phosphate works by causing slugs to stop feeding within a few hours and die within 2 to 3 days, while posing much lower risk to dogs, cats, birds, and other wildlife than metaldehyde. Apply pellets sparingly following the label rate, scattering them around vulnerable plants and under foliage where slugs hide, then water lightly so the pellets begin to break down and become attractive to slug feeding. Reapply after heavy rain or irrigation because pellets dissolve and lose effectiveness, and always keep a simple log of application dates so you do not over-apply. For targeted protection, place pellets inside low-profile bait stations or shallow containers with openings only large enough for slugs to enter. This reduces access by curious pets while keeping the bait where slugs travel. Combine baiting with habitat modification by removing dense organic mulch directly adjacent to plant crowns, clearing decaying leaves and hiding spots, and hand-picking slugs at dusk, using a flashlight and a container of salted water for disposal if you choose that method. Wear gloves when handling pellets. Store them in a sealed container out of reach of children and animals, and read the product label each time before use to confirm rates and local restrictions. Common mistakes include over-applying pellets, which waste product and can cause unnecessary exposure. Follow the label rate and spot treat rather than blanketing the garden. Another issue is placing pellets in plain view where pets can paw at or ingest them. Putting bait into shallow bait stations or under plant collars keeps pets away while keeping the bait accessible to slugs. A third problem is relying on bait alone without reducing slug habitat, which limits long-term control. Pair baiting with removing excess mulch, improving drainage, and eliminating debris so populations do not rebound quickly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips about pet-safe pest control and garden projects. We help contractors find work by letting them join conversations, answer questions, and showcase their services to homeowners looking for trusted local help.